Welcome to Rubik's Fever. Friends, I know you have been waiting for this moment. Yes, today we are going to solve Rubik's Cube.
Keep a twisted corner on top right, keeping yellow layer on top. Then you do these four moves. RI, DI, R, D. Keep doing this till you have a yellow color on top. And when you get that, rotate the top layer till the next twisted corner comes on that place. Continue doing this algorithm and you will get a solved Rubik's Cube.
So guys, this is how you solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. I hope you enjoyed the entire series. If you have any doubt, please comment below. See you next week with some another amazing stuff.